In this video, I'll show you how to Apple Pay someone through iMessage. Let's get started. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Before you send any money, you need to make sure Apple Pay and Apple Cash are properly set up on your iPhone. You'll also need to connect a bank account or debit card and have funds available in your Apple Cash balance. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Inside this section, make sure Apple Cash is turned on. If Apple Cash is not enabled, turn it on so you can start using it for payments in iMessage. Next, you'll need to add a bank account or debit card if you haven't already. This is what funds your Apple Cash balance. In the Wallet and Apple Pay section, tap Add Card and choose Debit or Credit Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details and verify your information. Once completed, your card will appear in your wallet and be ready for transactions. If you want to manually add money to your Apple Cash balance, go back into Wallet, tap on your Apple Cash card, and then select Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind there is a minimum amount required. After entering the amount, tap Add in the top right corner and confirm the payment using Face ID or Touch ID. Once the funds are available in your Apple Cash balance, you're ready to send money through iMessage. Now open the Messages app and start a conversation with the person you want to pay. Inside the conversation, tap the plus icon next to the message field. From the available options, select Apple Cash. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Send. The payment will appear in the message thread, just like a regular message. To complete the process, press the Send button, and the recipient will receive the payment in the conversation. They can then accept the money directly on their device. That's how you Apple Pay someone through iMessage. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.